That push in. It help you get good aim too. All right.
Woo, I got that bitch.
You put two up on the top and two in his eyeball.
Right underneath the eye. Yeah, nigga, try me again.